When you click on the large icon option, then you can see the different type of files and folder as a large icons, but it is a less than extra large icon. In this window also you can see two pane, left pane and right pane. Medium icons option is used to display file and folder as a medium icon. It is its icon are smaller than large icons. Small icons option is used to display the files and folder as small icons. In this window also you can see the two content, left content and right content, and right content you can see the icons as small. List option is used to display small icon followed by the list and folder. It means that in this view you can see the folder's name first, after that file's name with their names. Tiles option is used to display file and folder in the form of icons. These icons are larger as compared to list view and detail view. Content option is used to display the files and folder including facts about their name, type and size. It means this in this window you can see the name of the file and their types, names and size also. You can organize file and folder various way. Suppose that if you want to open a file, how can you open a file? Very simple way you can open a file. Step 1, select a folder. After that click on open option. When you click on the open option, after that you can see their files and folders, their contents you can see in the right pane. This is the way. And also on another way, double click on the folder. When you double click on the folder, then also you are able to see the content of that folders. How do we create new folder? Very simple step of this. Select the folder from the left pane. Then step 2, click on new folder option from the menu control bar. On the menu control bar you have seen the option that is written there, select folder, then click on new folder. When you click on the new folder, after that one icon appear on the right pane. There you can type the new name of the folders. Renaming a file or folder. How do you rename a file or folder? Very simple way. If you want to rename a file or folder, very simple. First step, you select that folder or file. After that click on rename option. When you click on the rename option from organize menu you can see the rename option. So click on that. Then after that type the required name for the file or folder. Which name you want, that you can type. Then name of the file or folder change. Selecting all files or folder. Very simple way you can select all file. If you want to select all, the very simple way, go to the organize menu, there is a select all option. So click on select all option. Select all option available in the organize menu. Otherwise you can press Ctrl key and desired file. Press the Ctrl key of the keyboard, and after that by the mouse pointer you can click on the file or folder, which file or folder you want to select. From there you can select it. And suppose if you want to select all the file folder, then press Ctrl A button. That option also work. Deleting file or folder. How do you delete a file or folder? Very simple. If you want to delete any file or folder, first of them you must have to select it. Once you select, after that click on delete option from the organize menu. When you click on that, then then one message dialog box appear there. You click on yes to delete from delete folder dialog box. When you click on yes, then that will delete it from there also. Moving a file, a folder. Suppose that any file, if you want to move from one folder to another folder, how can you move? Very simple step of this. First step, select the desired file or folders. And step 2, click on cut option from the organize menu. Step 3, select the desired location where the file or folder is to be moved. Step 4, click on paste option from organize menu. The file gets pasted on the new location. Copying a file or folder. How do you copy file or folder? If you want to copy any file or folder, select the required file or folder to be copied. Which file you want to copy, that you select it. Click on copy option from the organize menu. Organize menu, you can see the copy option. Click on there. Then third step, select a new folder location where the file or folder is to be copied. Then click on paste option. After that, click on the paste option. When you click on the paste option, then you can see that folder will appear like this way. Viewing the property of file or folder. If you want to see the property of the file or folder, very simple. You can select the file or folder which property you want to see. Then click on the property